So next I'm going to introduce Michael Silver, and then after that we have Alex and Allison Gray and a special surprise, and then we're going to sing happy birthday, and then we're going to go out under the Colorado stars, get some air if you want. There's going to be music in here that'll be pretty exotic and fun, and lots of projections and whatnot. Music downstairs as well. I also want to thank Reunion Biosciences, one of our sponsors. They're working with the Shulgin compound called RE104 that is going to be used for postpartum depression and Sensoria research. So Sensoria will be out interviewing people throughout the night, and look out for them. They're with Dave, our videographer. So Michael Silver, Dr. Michael Silver is professor of optometry, vision science, and neuroscience at UC Berkeley, where he also leads the Berkeley Center for the Science of Psychedelics, BCSP. Also look out for the Shulgin archive that's going to be installed at UC Berkeley thanks to a grant we just received from BCSP and Flourish Trust. So Michael, thank you for sharing a story with us.
Could we please take a moment to thank the organizers of this beautiful celebration? And I'm personally grateful to be one of the designated reminiscers tonight. I also want to share from all of us at the BCSP, the UC Berkeley Center for the Science of Psychedelics, just how thrilled we are to continue deepening our partnership with Wendy and Peter and everyone at the Shulgin Foundation. It's just been fantastic working with you all and getting to know you better. One of my earliest memories of Sasha is when I was a tender young graduate student in the 1990s, and this was at one of the Friday night dinners at John Perry's house, and Sasha and Ann were in attendance, and I was so excited to have the opportunity to share with Sasha our plans for a new experiment involving giving diisopropyl tryptamine to zebrafinch, songbirds. And diisopropyl tryptamine is a drug that changes auditory pitch perception, and we were wondering what effects it might have on song production in these songbirds. And I thought, Sasha is just going to love this. One of his chemical children being used to understand the mysteries of perception in the brain. And he was decidedly underwhelmed when he heard about the experimental plans. I was crestfallen at the time, but in retrospect, I see this as Sasha exemplifying one of his traits that doesn't get as much attention maybe as some other aspects of his personality and being, which is his scientific rigor. So we all know and love his curiosity and open-mindedness and passion, and his boundless heart and his naughty sense of humor. But also, I think a major part of Sasha and his work were his critical thinking and his rigor as a scientist. And that's a big part of why his work is enduring and influential today, and a part of his remarkable legacy. So that was a lesson I learned a somewhat painful way all those years ago. And happy 100th birthday, Sasha. We miss you terribly. Thank you.